For some reason, people always tell me that I don't smell like anything, which is, I guess partially it could be my genes, but I also think I put in a lot of effort to make sure my body don't have as much odor as possible. This step that I'm going to show you guys is going to help you to also smell really good and look clean. It's just so interesting to me how people spend so much time like doing our makeup and like our exterior things. There's a lot of people who really don't care about the inside, you know, the clean level, the interior things that you can't see from the surface. But people who are detail oriented, like how I am, I really do see a difference in someone who only takes care of their surface level versus somebody who really glows from the inside out. Today, I'm going to be teaching you guys my hygiene routine and everything that I do to stay clean, to truly look clean. So the number one step that I take the most important emphasis on is my hair removal routine. So obviously the purpose of body hair is to help protect your body from exterior threats. But what I've noticed is when I have hair, or when I notice that there are other people with a lot of body hair, is that they have this certain odor that I can't really describe, but it doesn't smell good. Because hair, it catches on and it grabs onto sweat, bacteria, and various dust and things that just creates this certain odor, and I cannot stand it. I have really sensitive nose. You know, I do laser for my armpit. I go to a clinic to do the laser, and so far I think I spent around $4,000 for just my armpit. And every single time I get the treatment, it's a lot of pain. I'm like closing my eyes and crying while I'm getting the treatment done. But you know, I always think to myself, I'm like, beauty is pain, beauty is pain. And then I listen to some classical music to, you know, calm my nerves down, because that's just how much it hurts. It's been about a year since I've gotten my first treatment, and there are still little pieces that are still left, but majority of it's gone, which I am really grateful for, because that was a lot of hard pain, which is why I want to introduce you guys to this. This is called Ulike. It's an IPL product, which is different from getting a laser from the clinic. The product itself has different process in getting rid of your hair, and I honestly just really wish that I would have found this product way before I started getting all my laser treatments on my armpit, because this is revolutionary, and I have been hearing so much good things about this product around me because all of my girls use this. So what this Ulike IPL machine is doing is it helps to get rid of your hair at home with zero pain. So let me show you guys the before and after for my results. Obviously I've used it for my forearm area. I did not take photos of my other parts just because it could be a little bit more private, but for my forearms you can see that there is pretty much a difference in the way how there's hair growth. One of the best things about Ulike is that it has a cooling technology at the very front, so that while you are zapping onto your skin, it doesn't feel any pain or any heat because it has this cooling technology. Ulike is one of the only IPL products in the market that has this cooling effect, and they have come up with their latest version, which is the one that I'm holding right now, which has a dual light, which helps to become super efficient when you are zapping onto larger areas of your body, such as your arms or your legs. So it's double the effect, faster results, and a lot more efficient all at the same time. I have very fine but very long hair on my leg area and my arms, so I actually tried it on both of my forearms. To do this product, you need to make sure that there is absolutely nothing on your skin and it's just clean, no moisturizer, no gels, nothing like that. Once you have it shaved, Ulike sends you a razor, a mini razor, so you can carry it around. It's very convenient, and you just shave it onto your body. And once you shave the area that you want to zap into and it's fully clean, then you can start your process by turning this on and waiting for the cooling technology to really get into effect. So once I turn this on, there are 4 different modes on this technology, which is actually in addition to the older version of Ulike. They have come up with a mode called SHR, which actually brings stronger energy so that you could get faster results pretty much. And when you do the SHR mode, which is what I used for my forearms, again, there is absolutely zero pain, but you'll be able to smell this burning scent, which is totally normal. And when you are doing that, it creates this zap sound. It creates 4 zapping sound on your skin. They give you a manual of how many times that you're supposed to zap on specific areas. I just kind of go onto my skin like this, and then I zap multiple times, like da 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 da, and it just, you know, move onto different areas as I'm going such. I used this on my bikini area with the SHR mode, and there was a tiny bit of like a tingling. It's not even like a zapping pain, but it's a little tingling for my bikini area, which is because it's obviously the most sensitive part of your body. And I do have more thicker hair in my bikini area, which is why I was able to see a lot more faster results in a shorter amount of time, as opposed to more thinly hair on my forearms. Obviously for my forearms, I'm gonna have to see for long terms, at least for like a few months, and see what the results look like. The best thing is that you get to do it at home. The results are guaranteed within 2 weeks. Another addition to this latest version of Ulike is their skin safe detection sensor, which is a very new addition to IPL products in general, because what Ulike does is you put it onto your skin and it adjusts automatically based on your skin tone. And if it's going to bring any damage to your skin, it actually does not bring any zapping. It just stays still and nothing happens. So that's one thing that I really appreciate about this product, is that I know I'm not going to get any damage or any skin burns. I know that there are certain cases out there in the market with other IPL products that has brought in some sort of burns. You know, with Ulike, that's never going to happen because they automatically just detect whether that skin is zappable. I see that my hair grows out a lot more thinner. It basically just keeps growing out thinner and thinner and thinner, and eventually to nothing. And if I'm seeing this kind of result within the short amount of time that I was using, I can't even imagine how great the results will be in the next few months. So again, this Ulike product is $399 in USD. If you think about it, that is like not even 1/20th of my laser treatment that I've been getting on just my armpit area. Once you buy this, you can just take care of your entire body for your facial hair, or, you know, anywhere of your body at home, which is the best part. Is a great investment that you definitely want to put in if you don't want to spend thousands and thousands of dollars on removing your hair. So I'm actually going to show you guys how I use this. This light is very sensitive for your eyesight, so you want to make sure you put this specific sunglasses on. And you can't just use any type of sunglasses that you have at home because the light protection is different. I just put on these sunglasses on. They give it to you when you buy this product. I'm going to turn on, and it starts creating this sound. And I kind of just keep it on for like a minute, you know, just for the cooling technology to come into effect. If you want to change the modes, you're just going to click on this, the power mode, the power button, and you can change it to the different modes, either normal or fast or high or you can turn on SHR mode. So I'm going to show you guys the SHR mode because this one is the highest effect and the highest energy. And then I just go, like I said, it creates that zapping sound. Zero pain, absolutely zero. And I'm just casually sitting down. I could just watch some TV while I do this. Zero pain. It's pretty revolutionary if you think about it. It actually has zero pain for each area. I do about 2 to 3 times. I go back. Again, I cannot believe that I have spent so much money on my armpit area with thousands of dollars when I could have just discovered this and used this at home, and I would have saved all of the tears that I was spilling while doing my treatments. But I do want to say that it does require consistency. So if you're not someone that can be consistent with your routine. So if you're that kind of person, then this is perfect for you. But if you're someone that's like, I can't be consistent and I need like a certain motivation to get me doing it, then I guess you're gonna have to spend the extra bucks to go to the laser treatment. If you guys are interested in checking it out, I will leave the link in the description box.
Valentine's Day is approaching, so you can get yourself or your partner the perfect gift for smooth skin for the perfect date night.
And I actually have an exclusive discount code for you guys. Link in the description box and save some money. So for my shower routine, which is using different types of soaps for different parts of your body, especially if you are a woman. If you are going to wash the rest of your body, obviously you can do it with just body wash, but for your private area, you want to be using a pH balancing soap that is going to help, you know, the acidity and balance inside and around your private area, so that, you know, no bacteria is going to start living in there, and also your private area is going to smell so much better when you use a pH balancing soap. And also the proper way of washing your hair is incredibly important as well. So what I do is I actually flip my hair, like I literally just fold my body down like this, and then I wash my hair in that position. And the reason why I do this is because when you wash your hair from a straight up and there's water coming down from the top down, then all of your shampoo is going to go down to the back, and so washing your hair upside down is going to prevent you from getting any back acne or chest acne. The area that starts getting the most oiliest the fastest is the front of my face and also right behind, and that is because those two areas is the area that gets the most heat. So if you really don't, I know the front, obviously we put in a lot of effort because it's right in front of our reach, but the back area often gets neglected. So you really have to work the back area, in that flipped position really helps. And in terms of cleaning your face, obviously you're gonna wash your face every single day, twice a day, and as soon as you get home from a long day of work and makeup, you really have to get rid of that as soon as possible. But another part that not a lot of people focus on is cleaning out inside of your nostrils and your ears. You know, you do use Q-tips for your ears. Everyone does it, but what I like to use is I do 2 different shapes. One is a little smaller one and one is a little bit more broader and bigger. And so I really clean out the gunk inside of my ears every single morning as soon as I wake up, so that it really gets rid of all of the dust and dandruffs and stuff in there. And also inside your nostrils. Please clean inside your nostrils, because you are breathing in air from outside, and all the pollution and all of this, you know, dust in the air and bacteria, it's all inside your nose. You have to clean all of that gunk out, blow it out in the morning before you go out. Not just blow it out, but just really put your finger in there and just like take out all of the stuff. It looks disgusting, but I promise you, you're gonna look clean and feel clean after. And the last tip is your diet. I've noticed that whenever I eat more meat on certain days, I kind of have this odor that smells a little bit more. And whatever your diet is, it really reflects on your body odor. On days when I eat more fat, or, you know, when I'm traveling, I eat more meat, I definitely smell a lot more than when I'm usually at home, my diet is more consisting of veggies and healthy fats, and actually internally be clean so that your gut isn't suffering from all of those unhealthy fats and unhealthy and gunk that goes inside of your body. It's not good for your health. It's not good for your cleanliness. That is the end of this video. Again, if you guys want to check out Ulike, definitely check the description box for a discount link. And if you want to figure out more about this product, there are so many research out there that scientifically proves you why IPL works. Don't forget to comment below any clean tips that you guys have, anything that helped you to stay clean and smell good, because all of the girlies want to know. I want to know. I told you guys, it doesn't hurt, like at all.
야, 차가운 숟가락 얹으면
That's it.
Try this.